Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm revealing my girl's bike. Had a month to do it all. Now it's finished, just in time for her to get a license. So yeah, I'll reveal it all. Yeah, no, it actually come out really good, to be honest with you. So yeah, I'll give you guys a look. Let's not waste any more time. Then she's going to have her first ride. Guys, so what I've done to it is we put a Daymaker headlight in there for her. We got the Harley chiseled apes. It's easier because you can wire them through here as well, up through the bottom and there as well. We changed the levers, we put some normal levers on there for her. Willie G grips, nice mirrors. I reckon it looks very, very good. Looks a bit narrow here, but when you ride it, it's perfect. Like it's excellent. Put a flush mount fuel cap on it for her. Forward controls. Now, I originally went for aftermarket forward controls, but nothing else fit this besides Harley ones because I had to clear the exhaust. I'll show you on the other side. But with the Sporties, when you get aftermarket forward controls, this clevis, it's an offset clevis, so I got Jace to cut it off there so I can fit any pegs. But this is like predominantly what you should like have to get, the pegs that come down there to clear that actual clevis. So yeah, full forward controls. She's got a little Diamontes on the back, number plate. That's cute, babe. It's got the two brothers, as you know. Anyway, but yeah, so with this exhaust, it's so tight to clear the arm there for the brake pedal. With the aftermarket ones, it comes like down like that and hits the exhaust, and the bracket doesn't fit or anything. So if you've got a 1200 Sporty and you've got this exhaust, you cannot fit aftermarket ones. You have to put the Harley ones on there. I learned that the hard way. I didn't cry once, and yeah, anyway, but it's fixed now. But yeah, shout out to me mate Jace. He's the one that painted it. This is a custom teal color, and it's got like the pink pearl powder over the top. Don't know if you can see it on camera, but yeah, they come out fucking really good. But yeah, she customized all the stickers herself. Custom Harley stickers. She got all the aftermarket roses and vines and skulls and shit, whatever it is, but she likes it and she's pretty. So yeah, that's the finished product, guys. So now she's going to go on the very first ride, aren't you, babe? Hello, hey, are you excited? Yeah. So yeah. So what do you think of the Sporty now? Is it better?
Oh, heaps fucking better.
Yeah, no, you like it now?
Yeah.
Happy wife, happy life, guys. So now, let's go.
Rocking me Martian helmet.
Yeah, the Martian helmet. She don't like a Martian helmet, but she still likes it a little bit, but don't you, babe? No, all good. Yeah, so that's what we've done, guys. I think it come out absolutely cracker. Looks a lot better than when I picked it up. So yeah. All right. Mad, that's cool as shit. I love that. considering she had no interest in bikes there for a while, and then all of a sudden just, yeah, started riding a bike. Beautiful. Got her L's, bought her a Harley. Now it's time for the upgrade. Now she's just, yeah, loves them. She's so stoked with the way that bike turned out. So am I, actually. But I'm, yeah, mad. That's cool as shit, that is. So we're going to get some awesome footage. I'm going to get the drone up and I'm going to follow her around on the drone and, yeah, get some mad fucking bike footage. I'm going to turn out cracker. So, yeah. Anyway, guys.
Fast on a rough road, riding high through the mountains, climbing, twisting, turning further from my home. Young like a new moon rising, fierce through the rain and lightning, wandering out into this great unknown. And I don't want no one to cry, but tell them if I don't survive, I was born free. I was born free. I was born free. Born free. Free like a river raging strong is the wind I'm facing, chasing dreams and racing Father Time. Deep like the grandest canyon, wild like an untamed stallion. If you can't see my heart, you must be blind. You can knock me down and watch me bleed, but you can't keep no chains on me. I was born free. I was born free. I was born free. Born free. And I'm not good at long goodbyes, but look down deep into my eyes. I was born free. Calm, facing danger, lost like an unknown stranger, grateful for my time with no regrets. Close to my destination, tired, frail and aching, waiting patiently for the sun to set. And when it's done, believe that I will yell it from that mountain.
Well guys, so that's it. Very first ride. We're on private property at the moment. Fortunately, Service New South Wales isn't open today, so it'll be tomorrow. Upgrade, eyesight, blah blah blah, bullshit. Anyway, so what do you think of the first ride, babe?
Awesome.
Yeah? Are you happy with the way the bike's turned out?
Yeah.
Anything else that you'd change that I didn't get right?
No comment. No.
Idiot. Nah, so you like it all, eh?
It's perfect. I think my stickers set it off.
Yeah, stickers, everything perfect. Love riding it. Yeah, we'll give it a quick start for the viewers, Don. I know. Where's the keys for it?
In my bra.
Oh yeah, it's still there. How come? Oh yeah, there you go. Hey, look. You love the bike, don't you, babe?
Yeah.
First big girl Harley, eh? Excellent. So guys, any repairs or paint jobs or anything you want done in the future, my mate Jace, he's pretty much jack of all trades, so Jay's Custom Backyard Cycles, as you would have seen him doing on my bikes and that. So yeah, no, hit him up, Western Sydney. Good bloke. So yeah. Anyway guys, have a good one. Hope you like the drone footage and the reveal of my girl's bike, but yeah. Alright, we'll catch you on the next one. Say that. There you go, the sporty. Nice.